Welcome to the Product Architecture Lab website. Today we'll be reviewing how to post an article, how to include images in the article, and other file types. Exciting stuff. First, we will log in. Now you'll see there's a menu at the top which has all our courses, independent study works, and tutorials, which is probably where you found this video. Down here at the left there's a menu for submitting articles, submitting resource links, and for editing your user profile. We're going to go to submit an article. Woohoo! There we are. Now we are in the JCE editor. This is an editing component that allows us to write very quick blogs and do all types of cool formatting. I'm going to show you a few of the features that are included in here to help you make your blogs look prettier and more fun. First, I'm going to toggle into full screen mode. So now you'll see that it takes up my entire web space. And up here is our editor. So it's pretty much standard formatting type stuff. You know, this is text. I can highlight it, do bold, do italics. I can do title, topic, headline, and I can go and underline it. So, you know, most of your basic formatting is here. I can write like, you know, item 1, item 2, item 3, and now I can add bullet points. Woo! Left line. Where'd that go? Okay, so it's not a perfect editor, as you can see. It has some little bit of quirks, but it's better than most. I've viewed quite a few editors before I found this one. You could do some cool things such as subscripts, superscripts, and turn that back off, and back to writing normal, and then I could do subscripts, and it's coming down there, and then turn that off, and back to normal. So that's a couple of cool features. Now I'm in this bullet point mode. I'll turn, going to mess up my Firefox. Okay. Firefox, back to normal. Turn off my bullet point mode. Go into a left align. Here we are. So now I'm going to show you how to insert an image. And what we can do is insert multiple images. Unfortunately, they do have to be inserted one by one, but then I can group all those images and they'll be displayed in a cute little flash slideshow. So right now, when you click on the Insert Edit Image, brings you to this nice interface which has what I call like insertion tabs up here, and this is all information that's actually about the picture when it's inserted into your blog. Down here is your browser where you can find files within your directory. Your root directory is yours and yours alone, so you can add folders to this using this button. I could go, you know, my new folder. Okay, fantastic. Now my new folder is there. I can go ahead and I can delete this if I want. Delete folder. Yes, so my folder is now gone. These are my pictures, and as I click on them, over here to the right, you'll see a little thumbnail image comes up. It tells me the dimensions and the overall file size, and the last time it was modified. Before I get into these buttons here on the right, I'm going to show you how to upload these images and some of the cool things we can do there. So I click on here, this little disk with an arrow. That is my upload file key. Now, I can add multiple images by clicking on Add. Going to my documents, I'm going to go to my pictures. Let's see. And we're just going to click on some pretty stock images that I have here. Now I have to click on these one by one, unfortunately, and do it like add as such. And what this does is it adds them into the queue down here, at the bottom. So they're not uploaded to the server yet, but they are in this queue. Alrighty, so cool feature one of this window is I can go ahead and rename these files right in here. So I can go bridge, and this won't rename them on my computer. They'll just be renamed on the server that they've uploaded to here. So that's kind of neat. And always don't put any spaces in your file names. The web doesn't usually like that for a lot of reasons. Okay, the second thing I can do is I can resize these images. So typically, like a 15-inch little laptop has about a 900 pixel width. 640 takes up quite a bit of that. So I like to keep my images down to about 400 or 500 in width. And then this kind of automatically updates. So 400 by 300, I usually find that to be a pretty nice size picture. You can kind of get the gist of it. If you want to make, like, if you were having a PDF document on here that you turned into an image and you wanted to, like, someone to see it in full resolution, then you could do like a really big width. You can rotate the image if you so desires. You can rotate them all. So this will rotate all three images by 90 degrees counterclockwise. I don't want to do that. I do want to generate thumbnails, and 150 is usually a good typical thumbnail size, and these will end up getting put into their own folder, and they'll have like the image name underscore thumbnail. So I upload those, and now you see over here it has this little like we're going, and so this is uploading the file and it's doing this transformation, and depending on how fast your internet connection is, I've got a fast one right now. You can see it takes a little bit of time, but it's nice. I don't have to go into Photoshop and edit these and resize them. Kind of just like do it here, go get a coffee break if you have a whole lot of files, and it's doing to all three of them. So I'm going to have 3 pictures that are uniformly resized. The little check mark says that it's done, so it's uploaded, and now you can see that all 3 have been uploaded, and you'll notice the window stays here, right? So it does it, check marks come, you have to go over here and manually close this.